Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Top 5 Best Dash Cam in 2024. In this video, we'll delve into the features, quality, and performance of these cutting-edge devices, providing you with the information you need to make an informed decision. But here's the catch. One of these dash cams has a feature that is a game-changer in the industry. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Garmin 67W Dash Cam. This isn't just any ordinary dash cam. It's a bundle that includes a signature series black camo, extra soft microfiber lens cloth. So, without further ado, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the Garmin 67W Dash Cam itself. This device is a powerhouse, offering 1440p resolution and an extra-wide 180-degree field of view. It's compact and discreet, making it a perfect fit for any vehicle. Plus, it comes with a memory card included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Now, let's move on to one of the standout features of this dash cam, its ability to provide live view monitoring. This feature allows you to access the camera remotely, which is incredibly useful when you're away from your vehicle. However, keep in mind that this requires constant power and an active Wi-Fi connection, and you can access it via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Next up is the parking guard feature. This feature is designed to monitor activity around your parked vehicle and alert you if an incident is detected. It's like having a security guard for your car. This feature also requires a Wi-Fi connection and can be accessed via the Garmin Drive app. Another impressive feature of the Garmin 67W Dash Cam is its voice control capability. This feature allows you to use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. It's available in multiple languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. It's a hands-free solution that greatly enhances the user experience. Last but certainly not least, the Garmin 67W Dash Cam provides driver alerts. These include forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings. These alerts are designed to help encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness. However, keep in mind that certain conditions may impair the warning function, and red light and speed camera warnings are not available in all regions. In conclusion, the Garmin 67W Dash Cam is more than just a dash cam. It's a feature-packed device that offers a wide range of benefits for drivers. From its high-quality video capture to its advanced features like live view monitoring and parking guard, it's a great investment for any vehicle owner. So, if you're in the market for a new dash cam, the Garmin 67W Dash Cam should definitely be on your shortlist. Number 4. The Nextbase 622G Dash Cam. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, the Nextbase 622G offers an ultra-clear 4K recording at 30fps. This high resolution allows it to capture finer details like number plates with stunning results. But that's not all. It also provides optional recording of 1440p HD at 60fps and 1080p HD at 120fps, giving you the flexibility to choose the quality that suits your needs. One of the standout features of the 622G model is its ability to record from both the front and rear cameras. When connected, it records in 4K from the front camera and 1080 from the rear. This dual recording feature covers your car from multiple angles, providing you with greater peace of mind while on the road. In case of emergencies, the What 3 Words integration comes in handy. It provides your precise global location, even when you're offline. This feature can help emergency services or friends locate you quickly, ensuring your safety at all times. The 622G is designed to reduce vehicle vibrations and improve footage clarity. This results in a super smooth, crystal clear image. It also features a super slow motion feature that allows you to view your footage in slow motion, making it easier to see all the critical details. The new sensor used in the 622 GHz has larger pixels, allowing more light into each one. Plus, the camera automatically detects light levels and enhances the image as it's being recorded. The extreme weather mode is another impressive feature that allows you to see through fog, ensuring clear footage in all weather conditions. The Nextbase 622 GHz Dash Cam also comes with Alexa built in. With access to tens of thousands of skills, you can ask to play music, place calls, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, check the weather, control smart home devices, get directions, find parking, and more. All these features are designed to make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient. That wraps up our review of the Nextbase 622 GHz Dash Cam. With its impressive features and high-quality footage, it's definitely a top contender in the dash cam market. Remember, safety should always be your top priority on the roads. Until next time, drive safe, everyone. Number 3. The Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam. This tiny device, no bigger than a car key, is a powerhouse of features designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient. So let's buckle up and get started. The Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam is a marvel of miniaturization. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures high-quality 1080p HD footage. This wide field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, leaving no blind spots. One of the most impressive features of the Garmin Mini 2 is its ability to provide live view monitoring remotely. This means you can access the camera's feed from your smartphone, no matter where you are. This feature requires a constant power source and an active Wi-Fi connection, but the peace of mind it offers is invaluable. The Garmin Mini 2 also includes a parking guard feature. This feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and sends alerts to your smartphone if any incident is detected. It's like having a personal security guard for your car, providing an extra layer of protection when you're away. The Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam also supports voice control in multiple languages. This feature allows you to use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. It's a hands-free solution that enhances safety and convenience. The Garmin Mini 2 doesn't stop at recording video. It also offers driver alerts for forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings. These alerts are designed to encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness, making every journey safer. In conclusion, the Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam is more than just a dash cam. It's a compact, feature-rich device that offers a range of benefits for drivers. From its high-quality footage to its advanced features like remote access and driver alerts, it's a great investment for any driver. So, if you're looking for a reliable dash cam that offers more than just recording, the Garmin Mini 2 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. The Cobra SC 400D Dash Cam. This isn't just any dash cam, it's a feature-rich device designed to enhance your driving experience and provide you with peace of mind on the road. The Cobra SC 400D stands out with its Ultra HD 4K resolution. This is a game-changer as it provides 4 times the pixel resolution of standard 1080p. This means every detail, no matter how minute, is captured with crystal-clear clarity. Whether it's a license plate or a far-off sign, you'll be able to see it clearly. Plus, it includes a rear-view accessory camera, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of what's happening both in front and behind your vehicle. Next up is the built-in Alexa feature. This is like having a personal assistant right in your car. Want to play some music? Just ask Alexa. Need directions to the nearest gas station? Alexa has got you covered. From navigation to finding restaurants, Alexa is ready to help answer any question or fulfill any request while you're on the road. The SC400D doesn't just record what's happening in front of your car, it offers a 3-view capability. It comes with a front-facing dash cam and a rear-facing accessory camera. But that's not all. You can even add a cabin view accessory camera for a complete 360-degree view of your surroundings. This feature is especially useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to keep an eye on what's happening inside the vehicle. The SC400D takes navigation to the next level with its heads-up display. It provides on-screen notifications for upcoming turns, even if your map is running in the background on your phone. This feature ensures you never miss a turn and helps you get to your destination on time. One of the standout features of the Cobra SC 400D is the live police alerts. This feature provides exclusive on-screen alerts for things like radar speed zones and speed camera locations. This can help you stay aware and avoid potential traffic violations. In conclusion, the Cobra SC 400D is more than just a dash cam. It's a comprehensive driving companion. With its 4K video, built-in Alexa, 3-view capability, heads-up navigation, and live police alerts, it's no wonder it won the 2022 Editor's Choice Award by PC World. So, if you're in the market for a dash cam, the Cobra SC 400D is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Vantrue N4 Dash Cam. A 3-channel dash cam with 4K resolution. This dash cam is perfect for family trips and Uber/Lyft drivers, offering a comprehensive view of your vehicle's surroundings. Firstly, let's talk about the camera quality. The N4 Pro's front camera uses the latest 2023 calamity ARVIS2 IMX678 sensor. This sensor supports up to 4K 3840*2160 resolution in all 1ch/2ch/3ch options. The result? A cinematic, smooth 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze, day or night. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. Next, let's discuss its night vision capabilities. The N4 Pedro Dashcam adopts the SONY ARVIS2 image sensor, which provides better low-light performance and clarity compared with ARVIS. This enables the dash cam to record images of moving vehicles more accurately and quickly without blurring or chromatic aberration. Combined with 4K HDR technology, it helps adjust over or underexposed areas for balanced lighting in the image. This allows the N4 Pedro Dashcam to restore 4K details for the best night shots. Moving on to its connectivity features, the N4 supports OTA upgrades on the app to improve performance and updated features. With always-on 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can easily access videos and photos recorded on your phone through the Vantrue app. This feature allows you to share your travel scenery and moments to your family and friends on social media. The built-in GPS allows you to view your driving route and location on the app, and a speed stamp can be embedded in the video, providing additional evidence you may need. Let's not forget about its recording capabilities. You can set it to front and rear 4K plus 1080p, or front and inside 4K plus 1080p dual channel mode according to your needs. The versatile rear camera can rotate 360 degrees flexibly to help you record what's going on behind your car. This feature is especially useful for Uber/Lyft drivers who want to monitor passenger activity. Lastly, let's talk about its parking modes. The upgraded buffered motion detection allows you to manually adjust the recording area to avoid trivial videos, thus saving space on your SD card. This 3-channel dash cam will record the full event, providing 24/7 protection for your car. It's like having a security guard watching over your car. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 Dash Cam is a reliable and versatile dash cam with a host of features. It's easy to install and comes with an 18-month warranty. If you're in the market for a new dash cam, the N4 is definitely worth considering. These are just a few of the many great dash cams on the market. Be sure to do your research to find the one that best suits your needs. Here are some resources that you can consult to learn more about dash cam. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain product family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.